Grand Rising, Grand Rising. Happy Sunday morning. The temp is about 42 degrees Fahrenheit outdoors. Ag Zone 989B, Southern Texas. Nice and cool right now. Our temp's supposed to get up to 61 degrees today. Right now it's at 42. At sunrise, I'm in my garage. As you can see, I made a batch of my own DIY soil substrate with a mixture of different types of soil that I want to add to my large DIY hardwood pots that I'm making. As I discussed before, I'm doing this because, for one, this is a whole lot cheaper, and mixing it with a concrete mixer is a whole lot easier. There's no work for me. All I do is add my ingredients in there, wherever I'm going to put in there, and the concrete mixer mixes all the different types of substrate into one organic soil. And I have lots of good ingredients in there. I have cocoa coir, I have organic pine mulch, I have perlite, I have calcium hard clay granules, I have some humus, I have a little earthworm casting, I have a little rabbit manure, cold manure, I have a little bit of humus in there. I have some granite in there, some granite. I have about 6-7 different substrates all mixed in one, right here. So when I add this very fertile nutrient substrate to my large DIY hardwood pots, my fruit trees hopefully will grow well. And this is a whole lot cheaper. I know what's in it. All my organic nutrients are in there. And it's easier for me to make with my concrete mixer. So this is what I'm doing from now on. I don't buy pre-made bags of soil at the garden stores. I make my own. I make my own soil substrate that's rich in nutrients. Whatever I want to put in there, I put in there myself. And it's a whole lot cheaper. These batches of soil will go into my white oak large hardwood pot to plant my last dwarf bonanza peach tree. So as I go throughout this journey, I'm learning ways to DIY, do it myself, cheaper. I'm learning ways to grow my own food cheaper and get a better product. Basically what I'm doing is I'm cutting a lot of the costs out by not buying everything commercial. I make it myself. Just like I make my own aquaponic systems. I make them myself. Now I'm making my own soil. I make my own large hardwood container pots. I don't buy them anymore. I make them myself. I'm happy with the results of my soil mixture that I created. I think my fruit trees are going to love growing in this stuff. It's beautiful, it's nutrient, it's loose. And I can add in there. I have earthworm casting in here too, my fault. I also have earthworm casting in here. So I can't buy this at a box store. I can't buy this at a box store. So you guys have a nice Sunday. Grow some food your way. Be more creative. Because at the end of the day, ain't nobody coming to save us. We got to save ourselves.